Satco's Dimension tape line of products is available for a wide range of installations and projects. From the beginner to the professional, for indoor and outdoor applications, there are 4 groups to choose from: Color, Performer, Plus, and Pro. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the Dimension Plus kits. Our Plus kit has RGB functionality, as well as tunable white capability, and the option to connect to the Starfish app for smart control via your mobile device. The Dimension Plus kits are perfect for any area where color effects or functional white light is desired. The kit includes indoor 16-foot RGB TW tape light reel with 3M tape pre-installed on the back for a quick installation, a controller with IR remote control which allows you to power on and off, switch between white color temperatures, colors and effects, as well as dim and brighten the light, smart control via Starfish app, which will allow you to control brightness, colors, effects, scenes, automations, timers, and schedules. 2 power source options are available: 120 volt plug or 120 to 277 volt junction box for direct wire installation. Additional features include 1120 lumens per reel and a CRI of greater than 80, 50,000 hour rating, and a 1-year limited warranty. For more information on our Dimension products, go to satco.com.